Hello everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Extreme Duty 8-ball axle from All Balls Racing. Alright, today we're giving you a closer look at this Extreme Duty 8-ball axle coming from All Balls Racing. Now we all know that with ATVs and UTVs, axles, they take a ton of abuse. There's a lot of torque on these machines nowadays, so it's very important. You want to make sure that you're inspecting your axles, look at your service manual. They will tell you what you should be looking for and when to service them. But a couple indicators that you need to be looking for is one, with your CV boots. So you can see CV boots are there to give a good tight seal so dirt and contaminants cannot work their way into the bearings. So you want to make sure those aren't compromised. So if you see any tearing or cracking in those, that could mean that dirt and debris have worked their way in. If that happens, that can lead to poor performance with your bearings and ultimately ruin them. Another thing that you can look for is if you're driving your machine and you're turning it, you can hear a clicking noise. Again, that's another indicator that it's time to either rebuild your axle or replace it. So if you're actually have now, it's old and beat up, it's time to replace it, or you're looking just to increase the durability and the strength of your axles, then these Extreme Duty axles are an awesome route. So let's talk about what makes them better. So first up, if we talk about construction, so the way these are made is from a 4340 chromoly, which is much stronger than the mod steel that you see a lot of OEMs use for their axles. So it's going to increase the strength, but also when you talk about splines. So splines are a fail point that we see a lot when it comes to axles because of that torque. So having that 4340 chromoly is really going to increase the strength of those splines. And then you talk about the bearing design. So this is the 8-ball bearing. So with most OEM axles, you're going to have a 6-ball bearing. The reason that 8 is better is one, you're increasing the surface area. So it's going to be better for those heavier loads because it's going to spread that load over a larger area. In fact, the races in the outer cage on these, they say, are up to 35% larger than OEM. So you're getting better strength with that. And then actually they said that when they did their torsion testing, that these were anywhere from 10 to 40% stronger than OEM. And when it comes to fatigue life, they say up to 12 times longer lasting than OEM axles. You can see you're getting a lot of durability, a lot of performance built in, but also what's great is the price point. These are going to cost less than most of your OEM axles that are out there. So strength and durability, you're going to save some money. So it's not a bad deal there. And you can see these have a black oxide coating on those, so that's really going to help when it comes to preventing rust as well as corrosion. Now, a couple things you want to keep in mind with these axles is one, they're sold individually. So when you're picking yours up, you're going to need to pick up 2 if you're replacing both the fronts. Same goes for the rear. So just remember that, and they are machine specific. So when you're picking yours up, make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. And if you are wondering, yes, these will come pre-greased with a high quality grease. So once you get it, all you have to do is just remove your stock axle and install this one and you're ready to go. Now when it comes to install, if you've never replaced an axle before or rebuilt one, we have 2 great how-to videos, one that shows you step-by-step how to replace an entire axle, and another one that shows you how to rebuild it and replace just the bearings in your axle. You have a couple different options there, so if you're not quite sure, give those videos a watch and that will really help you out. And going back to what I said previously, when it comes to your CV boots, if those are compromised, do not hesitate. Make sure we have a lot of CV boots available. You can see I've got some here from All Balls. So replace those as soon as you realize that they are compromised. That's going to help extend the life and the durability of the axles that you have now. If you guys have any other questions about anything that I talked about, leave your questions, your comments below. We'll get those answered. And to pick up yours, it is very simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75, ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, well, we got a whole lot more just like it. So make sure to give it a thumbs up, get subscribed to our YouTube channel, and that way you stay up to date. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.